Folks, ever spend hours trying to make sense of raw data, juggling endless charts only to end up more confused? Well, today that all changes. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. In this video, we're diving into Fabi AI, your personal analyst that makes working with data fast and almost effortless. With Fabi, you don't wrestle with formulas or code. You just ask questions in plain English, and it does the heavy lifting. It pulls information from Google Sheets, databases, or even CRM systems, and then turns it into insights and interactive dashboards in minutes. We'll check out how to analyze figures and turn them into charts. Then we'll build workspaces and even automate reports to Slack or Google Sheets without any hassle. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's dive in! Guys, today we're taking a look at a tool that's changing the rules of data analysis. It's called Fabi, your personal AI-powered analyst. Imagine replacing complex spreadsheet formulas with a simple conversation. Instead of wrestling with tables, you just talk to the software like you would to a real person. Fabi helps you collect information from multiple sources, from simple Google Sheets to large databases. The goal is simple: turn raw data into useful insights and get a deep understanding of what's happening, so you can make decisions many times faster than usual. And the best part, folks, is that you don't need to be a professional programmer. When it comes to building charts and running analysis, the platform automatically generates SQL queries and Python code for you. All you have to do is ask a question, and Fabi handles the rest. Let's upload the file with financial data into the system. As soon as the file is added, notice how Fabi automatically studies its structure. This process is called AI configuration, and it happens instantly in the background. Now, mates, we can start asking questions. For example, let's ask the system to show total profit by country as a bar chart, because Fabi already understands the structure of our file. It produces the result very quickly. It's not just searching for numbers, it's actually writing Python or SQL code on its own to process your dataset. Within seconds, we get a clean, professional visualization that's ready to use in reports right away. This shows how fast and reliable the system is, saving up to 90% of the time you'd normally spend building charts manually. Friends, this entire workspace is called SmartBook, a smart notebook and the core of the Fabi platform. Unlike standard chatbots, SmartBook lets you see the full analysis process. If you're an experienced developer, you can review the generated Python or SQL code created by the AI. You can also add your own cells when needed, for example by inserting custom SQL queries or extra functions. At the same time, you can keep interacting through chat, asking for things like total profit by product across all countries as a bar chart. Everything the system generates can be added to your notebook with a single click by pressing Add Cell. Guys, this gives you full control over your work. You can manually edit the code, add specific parameters, or double-check the accuracy of calculations whenever you want. If you're a beginner, this is also a great learning opportunity. You can clearly see how a simple text request turns into a working script that you can open and study in detail. All your research is saved automatically inside the platform. Folks, you can collaborate through tools like Notion or Google Docs, share SmartBooks with your team, discuss results, and work with the same data together in real time. This approach makes analytics transparent. You're no longer relying on a black box AI system, because you can always verify the logic behind every chart or table and trace it back to your original Excel data. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Now, folks, let's make the analysis a bit more visual. This is where charts really help. They let you spot patterns and insights that aren't obvious when you're just looking at numbers. I'll start by adding a graph that shows how sales change over time and drop it straight into our notebook. Next, I'll have Fabi create a donut chart to show how units sold are distributed. As it builds it, the platform also explains what it's doing and why. From there, we add a grouped bar chart, and it's instantly part of our workspace. Then we create a scatter plot to see how discounts relate to units sold. Guys, at this point we've got several options ready, so let's bring everything together. I click Build Dashboard, choose what I want to include, arrange the layout, and then hit Publish Dashboard. What we get is a clean, professional report where you can understand the state of the business at a glance. You can manage each block and edit your workspace however you like, then turn it into a full workflow with everything in one place. Folks, this is where automation really shines. With a system like this, you can pretty much forget about routine report prep. The system can handle thousands of rows of data on its own and surface only what actually matters. For example, you can set things up so that every Monday, Fabi automatically pulls the latest sales figures. It then analyzes the week and sends a short summary directly to Slack. You just add a Slack step, connect it with a token, pick the channel, and you're done. The result is that your team can focus on making decisions, not collecting data. In fact, this can save up to 92% of the time that used to go into analytics. Guys, add things like SQL queries, filters, and custom inputs. You can also include text blocks and connect tools such as Google Sheets, Coda, or Slack. All of this makes it easy to build complete end-to-end reports around your information. You can plug in almost any source, whether it's your website database or your CRM, and work with it directly inside Fabi AI. It's a powerful, all-in-one platform for anyone who works with figures, helping you make strategic decisions up to 10 times faster. Honestly, Fabi feels like the tool I wish I'd had when I first started tackling analytics. It makes managing all the reporting tasks way easier. Alright friends, let's wrap this up. Fabi AI makes analysis faster and more transparent. Whether you're exploring data, building dashboards, or automating reports, it's like having a personal analyst on hand 24/7. You reduce errors, and your team can focus on making strategic decisions instead of getting stuck in manual tasks. Guys, everything you do is saved automatically and easy to share, so collaborating with others is simple. A few questions are all it takes to create professional dashboards, set up automated weekly summaries, and keep everyone on the same page. Jump in and see how Fabi can make your data work for you. If you're excited to try it out, or if you have already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and till next time!